with little vessels like this.
Me too.
I use them 24/7.
Make anything mini, and I'm on board.
My friend
I'm buying
Florence
it.
one time had a little party for my sister, and she gave everybody just like one little as a gift, like a little guy like this.
Right.
And I literally said to everybody, "You gonna take yourself? You're gonna take yourself?
Can I have it?"
But guess what? I don't know if it's dishwasher safe. I certainly can't put it in the oven.
Sure.
Oh my word, I'm obsessed.
They're skillet shaped,
Oh.
and of course they're 4 ounces, so that's a half a cup. So we love that. You're getting a set of 6. They all are gonna stack and nest right here, which we love. So when you think about all the different ways,
6?
by the way, you can also use these as spoon rests, right? So we're gonna show you dipping dishes. We're gonna show you sauces. We're gonna show you layering it into a charcuterie board. But at the end of the day, yes, you're getting 6. They're all individually hand painted. They're so stinking cute.
Gosh.
So practical.
Yeah. I mean, I collect these things, and like I'll bring, let's say, croissant into Cara, and I like to put like the little cinnamon butter in a vessel like this. Like, okay, let's take you through the choices because we're losing the 5 easy payments at the end of the day, which is now 28 minutes from now.
And one of our new items on the day. So there you can see the 6 confetti. We also have the blue. We also have the red. We also have the green. Next door to that, here's that blue floral lace. So you have that solid blue detail, hand painting inside. Black, red, cranberry. I'm rushing because I can't wait to show you all the ideas we did. Then Believe, white, buttercream. Then all of your woodland, your slate blue, your white, your buttercream, and your gray.
Many of you are getting more than one. Even something as simple as a place when you're in the kitchen to put your beautiful jewelry so you don't lose it.
Look at these individual skillet cookies.
Oh my
So
gosh.
I love the idea, again, of being able to just go to the store, pick up that already pre-made mix, put it right inside here.
Are you watching?
Right?
Because you so need this.
I so need it. Now everybody has their own individual cookie. Look what we did here. This is that still to come stoneware. I wanted to give you a sneak peek. Stoneware Lazy Susan, where we layered in with some of the maybe the olives that have all the juices, the germac, the nuts, and things like that. And then look at this. I know. All the dipping sauces.
Oh my gosh! So if you get your Perfect Gourmet pot stickers,
Brian's like, I can't have you two talking about this for 10 minutes. We'll be like, what if we could do this?
Yeah.
And what if we did that?
We only talk about this for an hour because we could.
Absolutely.
If my girls, both of my girls are watching, you should buy this for yourselves because it's just so amazing. But, you know, Tova always used to laugh when I would say worth the price of admission. When you see